Now, Kakatiya Friends Club gives you their receipts and payments account and other information and requests you to prepare their income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2007, it seems. And the balance sheet. So he gave receipts and payments. In that, balance means it's a cash opening balance, means last year balance. Then subscriptions, which we treated as an income. Donations, mostly if nothing has been mentioned, then we are going to take it as a capitalized. Sale of investments, that there is a adjustments. Interest, default will take in a income side. On the payment side, we have a salaries, which is expense. Buildings is an asset. Investments is also asset. Printing is expenses. General expenses is expenses. And balance is cash closing balance, which we are going to take in the closing balance sheet. Then he gave only additional information, that is opening balances. Means opening balances means what? Last year balances. Opening balances of building, investments, outstanding subscriptions he gave. And then value of investment. Second one is value of investments sold, it seems. And actual value of investments were how much in the last year? 50,000. Among that, he sold how much, it seems? 45,000. So there is an adjustment in this regarding investment only. What is that? I'll tell you. Then outstanding for the current year. Current year outstanding is how much? 500. So last year's is 6,000 and current year's is 500. So how we will manage? Now here total sum I have read it. So did he mention about he's asking to prepare what? Income and expenditure and a balance sheet. Now I told you the procedure already. What is the procedure here? Here we are going to have always
First, receipts and payments account.
yes, good. First, we are going to have receipts and payments, then income and expenditure, then you're going to have a balance sheet. So this is a procedure. Now in this one, that fellow has given us what? He gave us the receipts and the payments. So obviously we have to go for preparing what? Next one, we are going to go for preparing
Income and
the
expenditure.
income and expenditure and a balance sheet. But before preparing a balance sheet, we should have what? Opening balance, means opening capital. Did that fellow throughout some after reading, did I anywhere he has mentioned opening capital, ma?
No.
So that means what I'll do is, it's up to our wish. If I want to go for preparing opening capital after preparing income and expenditure statement also, I can prepare. No, before itself we prepare and we keep it. It's safe side na. In that manner also we can do it. It's up to our wish. Opening balance sheet, there is no particular procedure. Like for these three things we have it: receipts, payment, income and expenditure, and a balance sheet. There is a particular procedure that it has to be followed in that manner. Whereas opening balance sheet, either before income statement or after income statement, I can prepare it. So what I'm doing is, first I'm doing a opening balance sheet. It becomes easy for us. We'll not have a tension. So that's why here liabilities amount, assets amount. So this is opening balance sheet, no? So here balance sheet as on first. Here if it is closing is 31st March, means obviously 1st April 2006 is the opening, no? So that is how I'm taking. Now which one will be my opening balances? Means here first adjustment, what he gave, opening balances are, he gave us opening balances are, he gave us the total three amounts, but that is investments, buildings, subscriptions. So those are opening. So obviously that three things I will take first. So what is that? First he gave buildings. How much?
20,000. 20,000.
Okay. Then investments.
50,000.
Yeah, 50. And subscription.
6,000.
Subscriptions, it's a outstanding. Remember, it is outstanding. So it is 6,000. And then Already we have receipts and the payments. In that we will have one opening balance. What is that? We call it as opening balance. We have it. Receipts and payments is nothing but I said it is always like a cash book. So obviously the opening balance is what? Cash in hand opening. So how much?
3,800.
3,800. So therefore, then how much is our opening balance sheet? How much is the amount?
79,800.
Okay, so our total, what we call it as capital is equal to balancing figure 79,800. So here I'm going to write the same total. So now I got my opening capital. So now we can simply move on to the income and expenditure. So 79,800. Now I can move on to what? Income and expenditure. So that's what I'm going to do it now. (31st). Now this is all our 31st 2007 only. So then first here we'll have expenditure, amount, income, amount. Now first we'll take all incomes first. Whatever incomes are there, we'll take, because in the receipt side we have very few amounts, no? So income side I'm going to take it. So what we have first is balance. Already in the opening balance sheet I have taken it 3,800. Leave it. Subscriptions. I'm going to take subscriptions, no? So subscriptions. So how much he gave subscriptions?
90,000.
90,000. To this one, what we will do, we will add outstanding current subscription. What we are going to do it? We'll add outstanding current subscription. So how much is the current year subscription?
500.
Yeah, so that I'm going to add. And obviously last year's what we'll do?
Prepaid minus.
Minus. So this is 2,000s. We are minusing, which is how much? 6,000. So therefore it will be how much?
83,500.
83 or 84? 84 nare?
83.
84.
84, 90. First minus it. Yeah, then donations. Now donations, did I read any adjustments regarding donations? Is it capitalized? Is it to be half? Nothing, no. And the amount is also not small amount. It is a bigger amount. So simply I will treat donations to be capitalized amount. Means what I'll take to the balance sheet. Next, sale of investments. Sale of investments. Anytime did I teach you that when an asset is sold, we'll take asset value, or the profit or a loss out of it we used to take?
Profit or loss.
But not the sale value, no. So here investments means that is also asset. So that's why I'll exclude that one also. So what I'll take by interest. Interest I have to take it, na? Interest. So how much is the interest?
10,200. 200.
Yeah. Now tell me how much.
94,700.
Okay, you keep it that one. First, we are going to have a payments again. So payments now come down to the first payment. 2 salaries. Do we had any adjustment?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So I'll take directly 20,000 in the outer column. Then buildings. Buildings comes in the P&L or asset?
Asset.
So
Balance sheet.
leave it. Investments.
Asset.
Leave it. Printing and stationery.
Expenditure.
Yes. So printing we are going to take, and how much is the amount? 22,000. Then general expenses.
Expenditure.
Yes. General expenses 4,000. Then that's it. Balance we have. But once again, I'll go back and I'll see, do we have any adjustments? So I'll go back. Opening balances, we have nothing to do. Value of investment sold. So something he is giving. So why not we go for checking? Outstanding subscriptions also we have taken it. But above opening balance, he gave 50,000 as investments. And in that second part, he's saying value of investment sold is 45,000 it seems. But actual cash, how much we got after selling? See in the receipt side.
42,000.
The value of sold investments is how much actually? 45.
45,000.
But the cash we got after selling is
42,000.
42,000.
profit or a loss?
Loss.
So loss I just now I said we'll not take a sale value, but we'll take a loss or a profit out of it. So we got a what?
Loss.
Loss. So loss on investments.
3,000.
So 3,000. Okay. Now find out how much is the surplus.
$45,700.
Yeah, right. So therefore, total is equal to how much you said? Some 90?
94,700.
94,700. Okay. Now we'll go with the actual balance sheet. One second. Now, this is my liabilities amount, assets amount, and here I'm going to write as on year 31st March 2007. The first, whatever we got, we have to take capital. No, from last we got a capital only, so that I'm taking capital. How much we got from the first balance sheet?
79,800.
Yeah, 79,800. To this one, what we will add usually to the capital, ma? Profit. And here we call it as surplus. Correct, Vedha? One second.
45,700.
Yeah. 45,700. So how much will be the total?
1,25,500.
1,25,500.
500.
Okay. Now, any other things will come in the balance sheet, means on the liability side, we are going to see. Now, here, I will see receipts and payments. In the adjustment, we don't have any kind of assets kind of a things. So we'll just leave it. 1 second. So now we are going to see. Is my voice is audible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I think now it's clear. I think now it's okay, ga?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So surplus is done. Then subscriptions we have already taken in the income side. Donations previously we skipped out. So donations we are going to take it here. So donations ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటాము అంటే donations is always a liability ma. Now for example, if you people are donating for any kind of a schooling, ఒక ట్రస్ట్ ఉండింది, ఆ ట్రస్ట్ కి మీరు ఏం చేశారు, మేము డొనేషన్స్ ఇస్తాము ఫర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ స్కూల్ బిల్డింగ్ ఫర్ ఆర్ఫన్ చిల్డ్రన్ అని అన్ని వచ్చారు అనుకోండి. సో మీరు యూ హ్యావ్ డొనేటెడ్ ది అమౌంట్. సో దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్, that particular trust is going to have a liability to accomplish that particular task, because now they are bound to that one. ఎందుకైతే తీసుకున్నారో ఫండ్స్ దాన్ని అకంప్లిష్ చేయాలి అంటే they are liable now. So that's why donations always comes under what, under the heading of liability only, because they are liable to accomplish that task by whatever the amount they have got it. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why I have taken it. Now leave this one. Next one, do we have any other things to be taken in this liability side? If I see sale of investments will not come interest, we have already taken it. Salaries already has been taken. Buildings will come in asset. Investments will come in asset. Printing, general expenses, all the things are done. Once I'll cross check with my adjustments also. Opening balance has already been taken. Outstanding subscriptions already been is going to be taken on the asset side. Value of investments sold. So that also has been, we are going to take in the asset side. So that nothing is left over on the liabilities. Leave it. Now come down to the asset side. So here asset side, first I'll see as it is my old balance sheet. First what we had? Buildings. Buildings, how much I had? 20,000. To this one, I have to check, do I made any adjustment? So first statement is what? Our first statement is receipts and payments. So go for checking it. Did we go for any kind of adjustments in the receipts and payments?
Yes.
Yes. So what is said? Extra payments. Payments means when we purchase, then only we'll make a payment, no? So extra, what is this? Extra
Purchases.
yeah, we'll write here extra addition. So how much we have added extra?
1,55,000.
So how much will be the total? 1,75,000. Then after buildings, what I took? Investments. So investments, actual value was how much in that one? Old balance sheet?
50,000.
50,000. Now go back to the adjustment. How much value he sold?
20,000.
I said go back to the adjustment. We sold investments.
45.
We sold investments.
45,000.
Yeah. So we sold investments of 45,000. So that means 45,000 we sold. So we are left over with how much balance? We are so left over with only 5,000.
5,000.
To this one, did we have any extra purchases again? extra purchase the same buildings దగ్గర
Yes,
చూడాలి.
ma'am.
Yes, we made again extra
20,000.
additions. How much? 20,000. So now
20,000.
total leftover is how much? 25.
25,000.
25,000.
Next, subscription. Last year subscription 6,000. Current year subscription outstanding is how much?
500.
Yeah, 500 we'll take here. And then last, cash in hand. This year cash in hand is how much? Means closing balance we have to check.
5,000.
5,000. Okay. So this is done and this is here. Is it okay? Is this clear? Now just totally it and see whether it is tallying or not.
Yes,
Two
ma'am.
lakh 5,500.
2,25,000. 2,05,500.
2,05,500. 205550.
Yes.
So here 25500 and here also it is 20550. Okay, fine. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Now see the sixth one. Sixth one is the homework for you. I'll tell you what all you're going to take. Now from the following receipts, this is almost like same problem. Just now what you people have done it, same like a fifth problem. So I'll tell you where you're going to take. Here also you people are going to take opening balance sheet and you're going to prepare closing and income and expenditure account. Okay, fine. So first, the following receipts and payments account of Vani Nursing Home. Now it is Vani Nursing Home. Previously we have done Shakuntala. Now Shakuntala Sports Club. Now it is Vani Nursing Home. For the year ended 30th June. Now receipts he gave opening balance means same like cash opening. Okay, subscription same here how we have taken. Fee from non-members. So fee from non-members we are going to take it as a income. Please take it down. Municipal grant, it is also income. Write it down if you want. I. Donations for building fund. Building is a small amount or a bigger construction? It's a bigger construction, no. So it will go to the liability. Donation answer once again goes to the liability. Interest again will come back to the income. Now our payment side, salaries to the nurses, expenses. Boarding is expenses. Then rent taxes is expenses. Cost of vehicle means purchasing a vehicle, it seems. Vehicle is an asset, no? So it's an asset. Expenses on a vehicles is a regular expense. So it is a expenditure. Drugs is expenditure. The home owns freehold land 8,000. A donation. Home owns freehold land, it seems. Means it is a property which is coming from since so many times. So here when you prepare opening balance sheet and secondary. So this is old balance sheet amount 8,000, like how we had a buildings 20,000, it is like that 8,000. A donation 100 received for a building fund was wrongly included in subscription account itself. So simply what you're going to do it, you're going to go for minusing it. So subscriptions launch minus chestaru, donation loki add chestaru. Na gurtu pettukondi, subscription launch minus chestaru, donation loki add chestaru. Then a bill of medicines purchased during the year amounted to 120 was outstanding. So drugs ani unnaya, buy drugs. ఆ drugs కి మీరు outstanding ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తారు. మళ్ళీ liability side you are going to take. Okay, again you are going to take on a liability side. That's it. You can do it, just do it. Okay, fine.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
municipal grant.
Municipal grant is a income, Nana. Municipal grant is a income. మీరు ప్రొఫార్మాలా చూసుకోవచ్చు.